How to order from Temu and India. The first things first, if you're currently trying to order any products from Temu outside India, there is no actual or direct link for you to be able to have all the items directly from India because there is no direct shipment that is going to be directly to India. All you have to do first is maybe changing your VPN or changing your current location that you are currently using right now from Temu. But if you're currently ordering any items inside India, then you do not have to change anything from your current setting. Again, just a regular adding something to your cart and then just placing the order, review the address, double check on the current address that you have because any shipments that is going to be going through India is or has a different price because again there is no direct shipment that will lead you straight to India, and that's how you order from Temu and India.